Meanwhile, the death toll from the 7.0 magnitude earthquake that struck Abra Province this morning has increased to 5 according to the Office of the Civil Defense. However, the count is still subject for verification. JP Nunez will tell us why live. Yes, JP, go ahead.
William, 5 people have died while 64 were injured after a magnitude 7 earthquake hit a remote mountainous province of Abra. The Cordillera Administrative Region reported the most casualties.
In terms of casualties, meron na pong 5 na reported, mostly in car, 4 at isa sa Region 2.
2 deaths were reported in La Trinidad and 2 Benguet, 1 in Kalinga, 1 in Abra, and another in Cagayan. Earlier, the Department of the Interior and local government said that the casualties reported were due to a landslide caused by the earthquake. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council reported that they are continually cooperating with their provincial offices for updates on damage assessment. Their biggest challenge, however, would be those areas without internet connectivity. Government offices will now use their Quick Response Fund to address the needs of those severely affected areas and individuals.
Maraming ahensya na merong Quick Response Fund, And yan naman yan ang gagamitin nila ngayon sa immediate response, DPWH on the road clearing, and DepEd for the immediate repair of schools, DOH for the additional supply of medicines, DSWD for relief goods.
Meanwhile, there was a tectonic movement in the Abra River Fault that caused the magnitude 7 earthquake, according to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Undersecretary Renato Solidum said aftershocks are expected in 2 to 3 days.
Ang marami po talaga niyan ay first 2 to 3 days. With time, bababa po ang bilang in the week and pababa ng pababa. Pero hindi po tuloy-tuloy na bababa ang magnitude. Minsan may pasulpot-sulpot, tataas na naman ng konti, but the general trend magdi-decrease yan with time. Importante po yung mga susunod na mga araw para doon sa mga lugar na malapit sa epicentro. Kasi yan po yung kasagsagan ng marami at mas malalakas na aftershock.
That is our latest live here in Quezon City. Back to you, William.
Yes, thank you. JP Nunez reporting live from Quezon City.